What if we could grow a human organ the way nature does, but guided by artificial intelligence? Not 3D printing plastic scaffolds, not simple stem cell cultures, but true synthetic morphogenesis, engineering the biological process that shapes living tissues into fully functional organs. Today, we explore how AI, developmental biology, and bioengineering are converging to redesign life's blueprint. Morphogenesis is the biological process that gives shape to tissues and organs during embryonic development. From a single fertilized cell, complex structures emerge: a beating heart, branching lungs, filtering kidneys, a structured brain, and this process is governed by gene regulatory networks, chemical gradients called morphogens, mechanical forces between cells, electrical signaling, spatial pattern formation. In short, biology runs a dynamic, self-organizing program. Morphogenesis is extraordinarily complex. Millions of cells communicate simultaneously through chemical diffusion, mechanical stress, feedback loops, gene expression cascades. AI systems, particularly deep neural networks, are uniquely suited to model high-dimensional nonlinear systems. Researchers now use machine learning to predict tissue growth patterns, optimize stem cell differentiation protocols, simulate developmental pathways, identify gene combinations for organ-specific development. Instead of trial and error in the lab, AI narrows the search space. Scientists can already grow miniature organ-like structures called organoids, brain organoids, gut organoids, liver organoids. These are not full organs, but they self-organize from stem cells using developmental rules. AI helps analyze microscopic imaging data, growth trajectories, structural symmetry, functional maturation markers. By recognizing hidden patterns, AI improves reproducibility and structural accuracy. One key insight: genes do not contain a blueprint in the architectural sense. They encode rules. Morphogenesis is an emergent process. AI excels at discovering rule-based systems from data. By training on developmental datasets, AI can infer optimal morphogen gradients, mechanical boundary conditions, timing of gene activation, spatial cell signaling patterns. The goal? To reverse engineer development itself. Synthetic morphogenesis goes further. Instead of copying natural development exactly, scientists explore designing new developmental programs. It involves CRISPR-based gene editing, then programmable biomaterials, bioelectric signaling control, computational simulations. AI integrates these layers. It predicts how altering one variable, like a signaling molecule concentration, reshapes the entire tissue structure. This is systems biology at scale, the ultimate goal. Lab-grown, transplant-ready organs. Current global organ shortages are severe. AI-guided morphogenesis could reduce transplant waiting lists, minimize immune rejection using patient-derived stem cells, personalize organ growth to match anatomical needs. But challenges remain: vascularization, neural connectivity, mechanical strength, long-term stability. Growing tissue is easier than growing architecture. Morphogenesis isn't just genetics, it's physics. Cells exert forces. They push, pull, compress. They respond to tension. Tissues follow principles from nonlinear dynamics, reaction diffusion systems, fluid mechanics, elasticity theory. AI simulations combine biological data with physical laws to predict how tissues fold, branch, and layer. In many ways, organs are living solutions to differential equations. Synthetic morphogenesis raises profound questions. If we can grow organs on demand, what defines natural life? Where is the boundary between repair and redesign? Could we eventually engineer improved biological systems? Ethics must evolve alongside capability. Regulation, transparency, and safety are essential. AI is already being used in drug screening with organoids, developmental modeling, tissue engineering optimization, automated microscopy analysis. Fully functional, transplant ready, synthetic organs remain under development, but the trajectory is clear. Biology is becoming programmable. From a single cell to a structured organ to a conscious being. Morphogenesis is nature's most extraordinary algorithm. Now, artificial intelligence is learning to read that algorithm, not to replace biology, but to understand it deeply enough to guide it. The future of medicine may not lie in mechanical implants, but in teaching cells how to build again from scratch. That's all about today's video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.